Hello friends, welcome in standard 12th chapter number 11, 3-dimensional geometry. In the previous lecture we learned vector algebra. On that you have learned vectors, how to make a vector and the vector component also. This is an extension of vector algebra using 3-dimensional geometry. As we know, this is an 3-directed plane. That is 3 axes, x axis, y axis, and this is suppose z axis. Then any line which can be on the plane. So this makes an angle with x axis, that is alpha, for y axis, that is beta, and z axis, that is gamma. Then that line, that all angles are called as an direction angles. Alpha, beta, gamma are direction angle. And when we taking at cosine, then cos of alpha, cos of beta, cos of gamma are direction cosine. Now, as we know that any vector a bar is equals to what? Ai plus bj plus ck. Then, as you know that magnitude of a bar is what? Under root of a square plus b square plus c square. And you know that a cap is equals to what? Unit vector. How to find a cap? A cap is finding what? A bar upon magnitude of a bar. Then ai plus bj plus ck upon magnitude is what? A square plus b square plus c square. Then you can write here what? A upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square of I, b upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square of j, plus c upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square of k. Then this a upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square you can write as L, Li plus Mj plus Nk. Any unit vector you can write in the form of Li plus Mj plus Nk. What is L, M, N? L, M, N are the L equals to a upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Then M is equals to b upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square, and C is N is equals to c upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So this is representation of unit vector in the form of L, M, N. So this L is called as cos of alpha. This M is called as cos of beta, and this N is cos of gamma. So this is the relation between what? Direction ratio and direction cosine, because A, B, C are called as an direction ratio. That here we can say that what? A, B, C are direction ratio or direction number. So this is the relation between what? Direction ratio and direction cosine. That cos alpha equals to L is equals to a upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Cos beta is equals to M is equals to what? B upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. And cos gamma equals to N is equals to what? C upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now as we know, a unit magnitude of a cap is equals to 1. Now a cap is what? We have to write now a cap is equals to Li plus Mj plus Nk Then magnitude is what? How to find magnitude? Under root of coefficient of I, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. That happens L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. This is the relation between direction cosine. That means what? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 1. So that is a relation between the direction cosine between them. Now direction cosine of a line passing through any 2 points. We know that in the last previous lecture, vector joining any 2 points, you can make it. Using that, you just do it on the same way that make an direction cosine also using this formula. Now depend on this, we just do the examples of 11.1. That 11.1 is, first example is, if a line makes an angle 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with the x, y and z axis respectively, find direction cosine. That we have given that direction angle and find direction cosine. That means what? Alpha, beta, gamma are given, then find direction cosine, that is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, find. So we have given that direction angles are 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree. That is alpha equals to 90, beta equals to 135 degree and gamma equals to 45 degree. Therefore direction cosines are, direction cosine, that is means what? Cos alpha, that is cos 90 is equals to what? 0. Cos beta is equals to what? Cos 135, that is what? Minus 1 by root 2. And cos gamma is equals to what? Cos of 45, that is what? 1 by root 2. Then direction cosines are simply 0, minus 1 by root 2 and it is 1 by root 2. These are the final answer. Example number 2, as same way. Find the direction cosine of a line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. That means what? You have to given that angles are equal. Means what? Alpha, beta and gamma are equal. Then cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are also be equal. Now find the value of, find the angles with the coordinate axis. So alpha, beta, gamma are equal. Therefore cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are also equal. Means what? L, M, N are also equal. Now as we know that relation between direction cosine is what? L square plus M square plus N square is equals to 1. That is L square plus L square plus L square is equals to 1. I can write here. How? That M and N are equals to L. So I can just put up 3L square is equals to 1. That is L square is equals to 1 by 3. L is equals to 1 by root 3 plus minus of 1 by root 3. Then direction cosines are, that is plus minus 1 by root 3, plus minus 1 by root 3 and plus minus 1 by root 3. This is the direction cosine. You have to find easily using what? The direction cosines are equal. Now number 3 examples is same way, that we have to given that direction ratio. We have given that direction ratios are that equals to what? Minus 18, 12 and minus 4. Find direction cosine. That equals to what? A is equals to minus 18, B is equals to 12 and C is equals to minus 4. Find L, M, N. Find L, M, N. We know that the formula is what? L is equals to under root of, A upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equals to B upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to C upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Use here. Then L is equals to what? A upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. That equals to, what is value of A is? Minus 18 upon under root of minus 18 square. That equals to what? Minus 18 square then 12 square, and then 4 square. That is 18 square minus 18 square plus 12 square plus minus 4 square. Solve this. You can give it that what minus 12 by all you solve, that is the answer is 22. Then the answer is minus 18 by 22. Next is m. That m is equals to what? Same formula, b upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Then what is b? b is equals to 12 by 12 by 22. Using the formula, b is equals to what? 12, and a square plus b square plus c square, you have already find out it is what? 22. And now n is equals to what? c upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square, that equals to what? c value minus 4 upon 22. So the direction cosines are minus 18 by 22, then 12 by 22 or minus 4 by 22. You can solve easily or you can just simplify it. Then answer is minus 9 by 11, 6 by 11 and minus 2 by 11. Next example, same way. Show that the point A, B, C are collinear. We know that the points are collinear means what? They lies on same line. So, and by vector, you can show that the two vectors are collinear means what? One vector is scalar multiple of other, or vectors are proportionally, components are proportionally equal. So you have to find the direction ratio first and then check the direction, the ratio between them. So how to find direction ratios are there? First make an vector. Then the vectors a, b bar also, let a bar, b bar and c bar are positional vector of point A, B and C. Then AB bar is equals to what? B bar minus A bar. You have to know that. B bar minus A bar is equals to what? Just subtract it. B bar, this is what? Minus I minus 2j plus k. Minus A bar is what? 2i minus 3j minus 4k. All are plus but sign is minus, so it is all or minus. Just solve it. Minus I minus 2i, that is minus 3i. Then minus 2j minus 3j minus 5j plus k minus 4k, that is minus 3k. Then the components are minus 3, minus 5, minus 3. Same as BC bar is equals to what? C bar minus B bar. That again you have to do same way. That is C bar is equals to what? 5i plus 8j plus 7k minus B bar is minus I minus 2j plus k. That minus sign is here. 5i plus 8j plus 7k minus minus plus I plus 2j, then it is minus of k. Solve this. 5i plus I, 6i, 8j plus 2j, 10j, and 7k minus k, it is plus 6k. Then the component of AB bar, AC bar, that is component or direction ratio of AB bar is minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, and BC bar is 6, 10, 6. Then check the ratio. Minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 10, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2. The ratio are same. Hence, they are proportionally equal. The direction ratios are proportionally equal. Therefore, what? AB bar is parallel to BC bar, and hence A, B, C are collinear. It is very simple way, but you have to just show that the ratio, direction ratios are proportionally equal. That means you have to write here what, or you can just solve this. Minus 3 by 6 equals to minus 5 by 10 equals to minus 3 by 6 is equals to minus 1 by 2. All the ratios are equal. Hence, AB bar is parallel to BC bar, or the lines are collinear. Hence, The next example is what? Fifth example. This is the last example of this exercise. Find direction cosine of a side of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 5, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 2 and minus 5, minus 2. So you have to given that the points again. First of all, find a direction ratio and then direction cosine also. Take it. So let A, B, C are the position vector of A, point B and point C. Then AB bar is equals to what? Again subtraction. You can write here what? AB bar is equals to B bar minus A bar. Just do it. Now it is what? Minus I plus J plus 2K minus A bar is what? 3I minus 5J minus plus 4K. Then the answer is minus I minus 3J minus 4I. Then plus J minus 5J minus 4J. Then plus 2K plus 4K, that is plus 6K. Therefore, direction ratio of AB bar is minus 4, 6. Now this is A, B, C. So you have to find out, that is LMN. Then A is equals to 4, B is equals to minus 4 and C is equals to 6. Just you can do it. The direction cosine, therefore L is equals to formula A upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square, that equals to what? Value of A is minus 4 upon under root of minus 4 square so value is minus 4 upon minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. You can solve 68, that equals what? 2 by root 17. The answer is what? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 by 17. Same value of B by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. B is again minus 4 by again A square plus B square plus C square is equal to what? 2 by root 17. Again the answer is what? Minus 2 by root 17. Same as N is equals to C by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then the value is what? 6 by 2 root 17. The answer is what? 3 by root 17. Then the direction cosine of AB bar is that minus 2 by 17, minus 2 by root 17 and 3 by root 17. This is the direction cosine of AB bar. Now because of we want to find AB bar. Now same as BC bar. So subtract C bar minus B bar. So you get given that again direction ratio and find out the direction cosine. Same as AC bar also. AC bar, that is C bar minus A bar. Again you have to find a direction ratio. Again compare it. Put up the formula L, M, N and you get the direction cosine of third also. This is I will do it first and you can do for the second and third, that is BC bar and AC bar. Now today we know that the direction ratio and direction cosine also, and the relation between direction cosine and direction ratio also. In the next lecture you have to study the equation of line in space. Till then you have to study now seriously. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.